First, we import the necessary libraries that we want in our code. Here I have imported tkinter and the pillow library to import images, and then import requests. It's for the API to fetch questions from there. And then we have import random. It's to shuffle the answers, the questions. And import HTML is to decode the HTML entities in the text. We have defined the function to switch between different frames. In this code, I have made home frame, and then the mechanics frame, and then categories frame. Then you have two options from there, true and false frame and multiple choice frame. And then there is a function to create the difficulty buttons for true and false and the multiple choice questions. And then the function to fetch the trivia questions from the API. It's known as the fetch questions. And then we have the display questions. I wanted to display single questions, like after each question it will show another question, so it's a function for that. Once you've answered a question, you're gonna go to another question on the same frame. And as the entities are from the HTML, so it will decode the HTML text for the questions. Then I have created the true and false buttons, and there is if and else used here. I've created a back button to go back to the categories frame once you're done with answering the questions. Also, I have created an exit button to close the application when they're done with answering the questions. Then there's a result button. I have used a result label that will show the results, whether the answer is correct or incorrect. I've added a function to move to the next question after a short delay. And here it will fetch the questions according to the difficulty level, easy, average, or hard. And then I have another function. It's gonna fetch the APIs from the links that I have provided. And then it displays the geometry, the size of the window, and the name, the title of the game, which is the trivia app. And then I have the backgrounds, and followed by that I have the frames. Each frame has its own buttons, and yeah, that's it.